Hey everyone, it's Maria. Today I decided to spend the day practice packing for an upcoming international trip that I have with my husband to celebrate our 5-year wedding anniversary. So this first image that you're looking at is actually me just planning out visually what bags that I thought I wanted to bring, and this clip right here shows the bags that I will actually be bringing. So the bag on the left is a camera bag, and that's what I'll be using as my personal item, and then the Patagonia bag on the right is my carry-on, and then the clothes hanging on the right is what I'm planning on wearing on the airplane. Okay, so in this process of preparing for our trip, we bought a lot of packing cubes. Packing cubes just make packing so much more efficient and organized, and we actually did a lot of research going to like 3 different Patagonia stores to figure out which sizes that we needed, how many we would put in each bag. So now's the fun part where we actually get to pack everything. So this is my bag. On top I have my laptop. I'm gonna have it loose since everything else is so packed tightly, and it'll be easy to get out for security lines. Next, this is a bit random, but I put all of my contacts into this cowhide pouch, and I just slipped it in that mesh zipper pocket up front. The first packing cube is the largest size that they have, and this is actually where I put all of the clothes that I will be wearing aside from what I'm wearing on the airplane. So this is what it looks like all packed together nicely in the cube, and this is what it looks like outside of the cube and hung. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pieces of clothing and a scarf. And then I'm going to be wearing the white van shoes since they are bigger and heavier, and then I'm packing the light sandals. So that bag is on the far right. It's the largest bag and it's sitting at the bottom. So next is the center bag, and that's where I'm keeping my pajamas, my socks, my underwear, and the white sandals that you just saw. So I actually covered the white sandals with a little spare rag that I had to keep it clean from the rest of the clothes, so that you can see just kind of how I've put that right there. All right, so again, that was the middle bag. You can see a little clear pouch in between the big and middle bag, and that just has some medicine in case any one of us has a headache or stomach cramps throughout the trip. So I do have a capsule wardrobe where almost everything that I have can be mixed and matched together, which makes packing and just putting together outfits together every day pretty easy. I did a whole bunch of work to figure out what types of clothes to bring, including like looking at what the weather temperature was in the countries that we're going to at this time last year, as well as giving myself some flexibility, as well as like umbrellas and hats, because I know that's one of the most difficult things about traveling is being dressed for the weather. Okay, so I took out the 2 packing cubes and I stuffed my empty Fjallraven backpack. So if you guys have been watching my channel for a while, you know I had I think it was the charcoal gray one for years and years. I loved it so much, I decided to get another one in black. It's my favorite color, so now I usually have friends borrow the gray one when they come visit. The next packing cube is the small size, and I use this for all of my makeup and toiletries. So that's what it looks like in the bag, and this is a view of everything outside of the bag, so you can get a sense for how much fits in there. As you can see, there's actually a little bit more room to put stuff in there, but this is just what I needed. So there's like shampoo, conditioner, face cleanser, toothpaste, makeup, a little foldable hairbrush with a mirror on it for makeup, a little travel toothbrush, nail clippers, and that round thing is actually deodorant. It looks cute, but it really is not very efficient when packing. We also have a first aid kit, so I have that stuffed at the top of the bag along with the toiletry bag and my flat iron. And then this is my carry-on bag for the camera, so my DSLR will go in there, as well as my Polaroid camera, an empty water bottle, a folding fan, my sunglasses. There's a tiny Patagonia fanny pack in there, and then I'll also put a wallet and phone and things like that in there. Please don't forget to subscribe for more videos and follow me on Instagram for more updates. See you guys!